Hey everybody, I hope everyone's having a great day. I just wanted to jump on here really quickly to offer what I would consider a, I guess like a homeowner's tip. So, and that is, what do you do with all of those paint cans that you have sitting around your garage or your basement or in a shed or something like that? And you guys know what I'm talking about. Anybody that's painted or repainted at a home multiple times, you have cans sitting around with colors that you may or may not use for touch-up at some point. And it's like, what do you do when you want to get rid of them? I ran into this week as I was helping a client selling their home. When getting everything out of the home, there were a fair amount of paint cans left over down in the basement. So I said, hey, I'll make sure they're gone. I'll get them out of here for you. And so I had to look around and figure out, okay, where am I going to take them other than home to my garage and add them to my collection? So I looked up the Lancaster transfer station. I looked up their website just to see if by chance they might take old paint, and sure enough, they did. So what I did is I drove up to the house, loaded up my car, went straight to the transfer station, which if for those of you that don't know, and most of you probably know this already, but for those of you that don't know, it's on Harrisburg Pike as you're headed west out of Lancaster City. It's on your right-hand side before you get to like the post office, Longs Park, Park City. It's on the right before you get there. So I drove right there with, I don't know, it's probably about 20 cans of paint, some full, some half full, you know, all sizes. And when you pull in there, it looks a little overwhelming at first, but they have signs kind of pointing you where to go, and it was actually super easy, super painless. You pull in, a sign directs you where to go. Pull up to an overhead door, goes up automatic. You pull in, pull to the end. A person there brings a cart over, and you just get your cans of paint out, put them in this cart. Door goes up, and out you go. Didn't have to pay anything. There was no out of pocket, so I guess it's free of charge. I was in and out super quick, and it was very, very convenient. So yeah, so for those of you who knows, this spring you might be decluttering or doing a clean out or whatever, and you're not sure where you need to, go to dispose of that stuff, that's the spot. Real easy, real simple. I'm probably gonna have to do that myself, because I know in my garage there's a lot sitting around in there, so I'll probably be doing it on my own. So there's your tip for the day. Everybody have a great one.